Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about deep speech, okay, which or common voice, which is a project, an open source project that aims to get data to get a model learning on deep learning, okay, or trained on deep learning. So let's select English as the website now supports a lot of languages. I'm gonna select English. Uh, In this video, I'm going to talk about the project. So the project is actually a very good project. I hope that in the near future, we're going to see some projects using this technology, which is going to be revolutionary. Okay, so let's open up datasets or datasets, which is a tab that shows us some data that are available to download and this could be used to train models. Okay, for instance, you could use this to train a deep learning deep speech model or a Fox Phoenix model and so on. So there is the conventional data sets, the VoxForge, which is very old. Okay, I think it started back in 2005 or so. I'm not sure, but it's a very old voice data set. Fortunately, the project didn't go well. There is the tab corpus, which uses TED um, speech. Is it speakers? I don't know. But this data set is a not a end-to-end data set because the audio is very controlled. There isn't a much real world applications. Okay, there is also the lip speech, but almost the same. Okay, it is using audiobooks, which isn't rich enough for real world applications. Okay, so because speech people people read differently than they speak. Okay, so that's one factor or one reason. So there is here, as you guys can see, there is a data set which is 12 gigas. Okay, I haven't downloaded this because my computer, my setup is not able to train this. But in the near future, if I could solve um, my problem that I'm having right now, I think I'm gonna try to train this with the Box Phoenix to see if I can um, get a good model. Okay, so that's it, guys, for the data sets. Let's come back. Um, and right here, you can see how many hours we have so far for this data set, the English data set, which is the main data set. Okay, so there is 427 hours validated, and you guys could help the project by giving your let's I'm just gonna show you guys how can you guys can contribute to this project. Okay, so you just click right here, speak up. Okay, and there's this sentence. Because I'm not a native speaker, maybe I'm not the best person to do this, but I've read that they need worldwide speech because they want to build a speech model which is able to recognize English from various people, not only native speakers, which is a good thing. Okay, as Google does, Google is able to recognize English that I sometimes don't even recognize. Okay, or not able to understand. So there's a good thing. Uh, I'm gonna record 5 audios. Okay, 5 files. I think I'm gonna try to do my best to accomplish this. So here we go. I'm gonna start by clicking on the microphone button. Yeah, let's enable the microphone. Yes, that is what I was thinking too. Yeah, I don't think this recording was good. I'm gonna try to see. Yes, that is what I was thinking too. Yeah, I'm gonna record. I'm gonna try to record to help the validators. Okay, so yes, that is what I was thinking too. Okay, let's try this one. Without understanding the actual physics, some animals exploit total internal reflection for catching fish. Okay. I was well, but I'm at all. Okay, that's hard. I'm gonna try it later. Okay, let's try. Let's see this. When bleeding is activated, the alpha channel is used to encode the opacity of a texture. Okay, so I'm gonna reveal. Let's see. Yes, that is what I was thinking too. I'm gonna try to record this one again. Yes, that is why I was thinking too. Yeah, I don't think it's that good. Let's see. Without understanding, okay. Without understanding the actual physics, some animals exploit total internal reflection for catching fish. I think that's pretty good. Let's see this one. I was well, but I'm at all. Yeah, this one I had to record because I didn't quite read. Okay, so I was well, but I'm all the better for being here. Let's see again. I was well, but I'm all the better for being here. Yeah, let's see this one. I need to record this one. Um, this one's very difficult for me because this pattern is complicated. Who sent you? Who sent you to me? Who sent you to me? Who sent you to me? So I think I'm confused about the correct pronunciation, but I think is it who sent you to me? That would be very informal, but let me see. Who sent you to me? Let's let's try. Who sent you to me? Let's see. Who sent you to me? Who sent you to me? Who sent who sent you to me? Yeah, there is the this one because I think I've if I'm not mistaken, I should use that trick that some people use, which the T sound instead of saying T, they say N. So who sent you? Who sent you to me? Who sent you to me? So I'm gonna do that. I'm think that's how a Native American would speak it. So I'm gonna do that. So let me see. Who sent you to me? Who sent you to me? Yeah, I think it's better, but who knows? When bleeding is activated, the alpha channel is used to encode the opacity of a texture. I think that's pretty good. So let's submit. By you using Common Voice, you agree to our terms and privacy notice. So they have the privacy is not the problem here. Uh, um, I was in the discussion panel and some people are commenting on the it's not you cannot track someone because they don't save the person's name or nationality, so you are lost in the cloud. Okay, to be more precise. So let's agree. I've sent my voice. So you've helped Common Voice reach 211% of our daily 1,000 actually 1,200 recording goal. Yeah, so I could add more, but I'm gonna contribute with the listen, okay, which is the validation. I'm gonna come here to validation or listen. So I'm gonna let's reload the page. So I'm gonna reload. So I don't know if YouTube is going to give me a copyright strike because this I'm gonna play someone's voice, but I don't think that's an issue. I think So let's click right here. Let's see how the validation is done. So the new UI is pretty good. Okay, the old one was very difficult, but this one's very good. So to validate an audio, you just click play, you listen, and if the person said the the text, you click yes. If not, you click no. Okay, so let's do that right now. Yeah, um, total silence. Let's click no.
Please don't be concerned.
Yeah, uh, yes.
Would you like a cappuccino?
Well, this one's quite troubling because the guy did said the text, but he let a space, a there's a gap, which I don't know if this would be valid, but I don't think it should be valid because this space will confuse the model. Um, and I think I'm gonna click no. Okay,
William ran down the street.
so that's pretty good.
In Parliament antiquity, even the women knew how to be silent.
So yes, okay. So we've helped Common Voice reach 163% of our daily 12 and actually 2400 validation goals. So I'm gonna read two more to do more, five more.
Roaming endlessly around the park. She wants to go home.
Pretty good. Let's click yes.
Do you like contemporary paintings?
Yeah, pretty good. Yes.
A skier swishing down a mountain trail.
Let me. I need to listen again. As you guys can see, if you are a non-native, this will help you improve your listening skills because you are actually listening to real people talking. So that's speaking. That's a very good thing. So if you are a non-native, I would strongly recommend that you do this validation because you're gonna help your English and also you're gonna help the community to validate more data depending on where you live. Okay, so I
A
need to listen
skier
again.
swishing down a mountain trail.
Yeah, I think the guy did said that.
What sort of man is he?
Oh, yeah. The guy say what sort of man is he, but this actually was here, right?
What sort of man is he?
Yeah, no.
If she said jump, he would ask how high.
Yeah, the guy did said that. So, 163%. Yeah, let's do more. Five more.
Well, there's a big difference in sound.
Yes.
Where did he go?
Yes, very fast.
Where did he go?
Yeah, but I think I've listened.
To steal a hawk and give away the feet in alms to God.
Well, that's a very difficult to understand because um I think I'm gonna click no because I couldn't quite understand. So
Don't try kicking against the wind.
yes.
Sickness kept him home the third week.
Yes. And the thing is, this could be quite addicting. So, I don't know if you guys are learning a second language, there is a couple of languages that I'm gonna came back. There is other languages. So let's click in languages. And right here, You guys can see all the languages that are available. Some of them are in progress. Okay, so we have these languages that shows 100% means that they are available. So we have Slovenian, French, Turkish, Welsh, Breton, Italian, Chinese, Irish, German, Catalan, English. So the funny thing here is that look at how many people speak English. It's 1.5 billion people. Mandarin, I think Chinese from Taiwan is 22 million people. So I don't know if there's Mandarin, but let me see. So these are the languages that are available right now. If you came to the language menu, you're gonna see this. Okay, so if I try to listen to something in Italian or German, I am able to. So let me just open up this in another tab, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can access those other languages. So you came here, and let's select Italian. I do not speak Italian, but my first language, which is Portuguese, it's quite similar sometimes. So if I try to go to that and I don't know how to. Okay, so escuta. Okay, so I don't know how to speak Italian. I've tried to learn before, but I gave up on the first day. So my bad. So I'm just gonna play it. I'm not going to validate because I'm not a Italian speaker, but I'm just gonna play just to show you guys because this is very important. Okay, I think in the future we're gonna have systems that are universal, or if someone wanna learn a new language, those systems could help them. Okay, so I some words I am able to recognize. Famoso, which means famous, when, winter. I don't think it's participate. I think it's month, one. So you guys can see, I can understand some of those words because I speak Portuguese. So let's play it.
Ciò provocò un rinvio dell'operazione Barbarossa perché venne posticipata di un mese quando l'inverno russo, famoso per la sua rigidità, si stava avvicinando.
So this was Russian. So as you guys can see the pronunciation, because I think this guy's a native. He's speaking quite right, right. So the thing is, if you want to have this project to be more famous, I think we should share with our friends, people who are learning other languages. I'm sharing with some of the people that I know that are learning other languages, so that can help this project. Okay, I know people that are learning Spanish, Italian, French. I'm myself right now. I'm only trying to learn English, but I'm on the way. So it's a work in progress. So let's see, other languages are almost there. So we have let's see. Okay, let's see. Where is there is Portuguese. Okay, so request a language. It's quite strange because see more. Yeah, see more, right? So these are the languages that are in progress. As you guys can see, we have Serbian. It is 50% progress. Dutchy 50, Swedish, Spanish. I'm quite surprised because Spanish should be already available, but it isn't. So Spanish, if you speak Spanish, and if you wanna participate in this project, you can help us to get a Spanish data set. Maybe I'm gonna try to learn Spanish in a year time, maybe. I don't know, because I speak Portuguese. That would be very trouble. I don't know if it's gonna be easier or more difficult. But anyway, so my language is right here, Portuguese from Brazil. Um, there is 185 million speakers, but actually I think there's more. Okay, I think there is almost 300 people speaking Portuguese, at least Portuguese in general, not just Portuguese from Brazil. Okay, so there's Japanese, which is a very awesome language. Chinese, as you guys can see, Chinese has 1.2 billion people who speaks Chinese. It's not as much as English because English is more international, is a more global language. But Chinese is another language that is very useful for. I think that has something to do with the how we think or something, because I've known that some people who speak Chinese has a better time learning mathematical concepts, but that's off topic. So let's that is Greek, okay? The Romanian, Hebrew. Still people speak Hebrew. Hebrew, 8 million people. Korean, Chinese from Hong Kong, Czech, Russian. So Russian, there is almost the same people who speaks Portuguese. I think there is Esperanto, if I'm not mistaken. So that's a lot of languages, guys. You guys can see there is a lot of languages. So those languages will be available, I think, very soon. Okay, I hope that Portuguese will be available in the next months. I hope so. So I think for this video, guys, it's just that. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. So it was a video on the speech and common voice, and I hope you guys like and see you guys next time.